Want to learn how to add audio to your avatar? Well, let's work on that. Hello everyone, my name is Randomly and today I'm going to show you all how to add audio to your avatar, a step-by-step on what to do and what not to do. To start off with, this tutorial is getting your audio recording into your Unity project. There are many ways on recording or downloading your audio, but most importantly the file needs to be a MP3. For an example, I have two of the same audio but one of them was corrupted because I didn't do it right. If you guys have all this figured out how to add audio to your folder, you can go ahead and skip to the next chapter. The programs I use to get audio is SoundPad, which you can get it on Steam for $4.99, and also I use Song Vegas Pro 18 to edit my audio, but again this is not free, so you can check out the links below. But if you really want, the most simple and easy way to get audio is a free software called Audacity. Personally I never tried it or ever download it, but I had tons of friends and professionals use this to make quick recordings and edits for audio. Once you have that all figured out, we now continue on adding an audio source to your avatar. First thing to do is create a game object and call it audio, depending on how many audio sources you are going to make, which you can store them all in a single object. Now go ahead, set the position 0. Once done, you can place this audio wherever you want on your avatar, on your chest, arms, legs, anywhere. For this tutorial I am simply going to place it on my head. And again set the positions to 0 so the audio can only be heard in my head. Now right click the audio and here we are going to make the first audio source. Pay close attention because all these settings is completely optional for your liking. Personally I like to set the priority to high, that way people can hear my audio loud and clear. Down to the 3D sound settings, you can make the distance however you want, but try not to make it too far out where everyone can hear it. My default settings how I like it is between 4 and 5. Now looking at the chart, the red line indicates where another player, depending how far or close they are, can hear the audio. Here this is wrong because the red line cuts off halfway, meaning that the audio will become world audio. This is a common mistake which I even made. Simple fix is turning the volume roll off to linear roll off. Always make sure that the red line goes from 1 down to 0, because no one likes avatars with world audio. Now the rest is completely optional however you want. Start by adding a component and add a VRC spatial audio source. Open the advanced options and check the box use audio source volume curve. What this does is to help make your audio crystal clear. You don't need to add this component all the time, but it is just useful to boost up the quality of the audio. Next up is spatial blend. You can have your audio set to 2D or 3D. 2D is just when someone is looking at you and can hear the audio, but as soon as they look away, the audio cuts off completely. As for 3D audio, depending on another player looking or where you are standing, they can hear the audio in the left or the right ear. Personally I love to have 3D blend audio when I do effects and people can clearly hear the direction of where the audio is coming from. Once you got all the settings figured out, you can now drag your audio into the audio clip. Depending on you making this as a toggle or a gesture, you can turn the audio source off or the audio game object off. Now you can make an animation to turn the audio on or off. The rest of the settings is kinda experimental, but hopefully this is a Kickstarter for all creators out there how to add audio. Thank you all for watching, and like always, keep smiling for me.